Across the UK, there are many people who would love to do something they think will enhance their community.
Let's not leave the beach as we found it. Let's leave it a little nicer.
But what they are lacking is the money to get their bright ideas off the ground.
My project needs your vote.
We're giving individuals the chance to kickstart their venture with donations from their own communities.
Brilliant. Come on in then, come on.
But to win that pot and to make dreams a reality, they first need to win over an audience of locals who will be voting for their favourite idea.
Is it going to be open for 24 hours a day?
Would this be sort of an annual event?
What are your running costs likely to be?
All across the country, there are local heroes prepared to go the extra mile to make our communities better places to live.
It's very, unusual for me, very emotional.
They just need a helping hand to get their ideas up and running.
The champion who you have voted for is...